Me and my mom have been doing lots of baking, and recently I have made strawberry muffins, and my family thought that they were really good, so they were like, oh my goodness, we need to film her. So here we are, and we're going to be making chocolate chip muffins. Let's get started. So first, you're going to have 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You're going to pour that in. And then you're going to have 1/3 of a cup of butter. You're going to pour that in too. And then you're going to take your whisk and mix it. You want to make sure that all that sugar at the bottom is all mixed up. You don't want to be able to see that when you're done mixing it. This is what it should look like when you're done mixing it. And then you're going to take an egg, and we like to crack it into a bowl so that you don't get the shells in it. You're gonna take one egg only. And then you're gonna pour that in. And then you're gonna mix it again. You want to kind of smash the egg and then mix it till you can't see the yolk anymore. Now, it should look like a little waterier than before, like that. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. And of course you're gonna pour that in too. And then add a teaspoon of vanilla. You want to pour it over the bowl so that you don't get too much in. Then you're going to take a pinch of salt and pour that in. Now, you're going to mix it again. Want to not be able to see all those ingredients after you mix, because you want your muffins to taste good, not like taste like vanilla. That would be gross. And then you're gonna take 1 1.5 of cups of flour. Pour those in. And then you're going to take 1 cup of chocolate chips. We have 1 cup exactly in here. You're going to pour those in. And then you're going to mix gently, because you don't want your muffins to be hard. And when it looks good, you're going to stop mixing, because with flour you don't want it to be like over mixed, because then your muffins won't taste good. before, except like with more ingredients and chocolate chips. You want to get all the chocolate chips separated so that like there's not like all of them on one muffin. So that wouldn't be fair to your siblings or your parents or whoever you're at home with. Everyone would be fighting over that muffin. Make sure that you don't see that flour anymore when you're done mixing. And then you're going to take a fork and 3 bananas. We've already smashed it before these videos, so it doesn't take up more time. And then you're gonna make sure that you smash them well, so that your muffins aren't lumpy. And you want to make sure that your bananas are extra ripe, so then it's easier to smash. Okay, now you're done smashing your bananas, and you're gonna take one of these. I don't really know what those are called. You're gonna push your bananas in. And then you want to mix it again. After you're done getting those bananas in. But you still want to mix gently. So that your muffins are hard. I told you about that earlier. And now you have your batter. And I would like to try some of this to make sure that it's good for the oven. Those are good. And then you're gonna bake it for 20 minutes after you put it in the muffin mold. And then your oven needs to be at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the muffin molds. So I'll see you later. Now your muffins are nice and baked, but you wanna let them cool before you eat them because you don't want them to burn you. So these have been sitting out for a while, and now we have to try them. So I've got my brother here, he's my taste tester. Pick a muffin. Okay, now try it. Oh, how good is it? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.